Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm doing another a 3D head PDF video. This one's a deer head. The things that you need: a cutter, a ruler or something straight to cut it with, and I've just chosen this one as the angles are really short, so there's no point of having a long ruler. Scissors and a hot glue gun or a PVA glue, that's your choice. So this one's another sponsored video. I'm going to put all the links down below where to get this, the links, how to purchase it, and this video is how to make it and the finishing results and how long it'll take. So I've just gone ahead and printed them. You just go on their website, you press the link down here, and you purchase it, and they'll send the files to you and you're going to print it out. So I've just printed on white card as I want this to be white, or you can do any colour of your choice, or you can just do a white card and then spray paint it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut them and come back to you guys.